Need good information about dogs? Look here. When it comes to learning, we never stop. Whether it be new cooking techniques or new driving routes, we're always picking up new information. When it comes to dogs, there is always something new to learn. This video provides you with today's top tips that show you all about dogs. If the cost of your dog's high-quality food is a burden for your family, team up with another one and buy in bulk. The big-name pet store chains offer top-rated names in pet cuisine at a significant discount when bought in the larger quantities. You can minimize the cost for you and some friends while still providing your dogs with fresh and wholesome meals. Much like people in the United States, many dogs are overweight. Having a few extra pounds on their frame can lead to a number of health problems, like cancer or diabetes. Many owners simply overfeed their pets. Talk to your veterinarian about how many calories your dog needs each day so you can adjust their meals accordingly. If you are thinking of getting a new dog for your family, be sure you are prepared for this commitment. Smaller dogs will require at least a 14 to 16-year commitment, and larger dogs will require at least 10 years. If you are not prepared to own the dog for its entire life, then do not choose a dog as a pet. If you are interested in providing your dog with the healthiest of diets and making positive contributions to the Earth's environment, make his food from scratch. You can buy locally grown organic ingredients and provide him all the proteins, carbs and fats he needs with no preservatives while reducing the waste from packaging as well. Some people like to learn by watching, while others like to learn by doing. You need to attempt learning in both ways. The first was watching this video, which you have completed. The second is starting to use the tips to see which work for you and which don't, so get to it. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.